Hi, welcome back. In this session, we will discuss about the Azure managed disk. So I am on the Azure portal, and if you see here, officially Azure says Azure shared disk is nothing but a feature of a new feature for Azure managed disk, and this allows you to attach a managed disk to multiple virtual machines at the same time. Now, attaching a managed disk to multiple VMs allow you to either deploy a new or mitigate the existing cluster application to Azure. So let's go down and see a sample structure here. So if you see here, there are two Azure VM. This is VM1, VM2, and they both are sharing the data disk. So this is what the shared data disk is, which is shared across both the VMs. So if both the VMs, if they have the DB like installed on both the VMs, so both the DBs will be sharing the data disk which is shared across both the VMs. Similarly, if you go down, if you can see here, there are like multiple VMs, and all these VMs are sharing the same shared data disk here. And if you see here VM1, VM3 and VM3, so it may have a read from the disk and as well as a write from the disk. So let's go down and see those scenarios also. So if I go down and if you see here, yeah, so these both VM2, they're again sharing the disk, and this disk is again a write, and VM2 is also having a write access on this disk. So this is what exactly the shared disk is in Azure. So now there are different varieties and different limitations are there. So there are two types of disk, which is ultra disk and premium disk, which qualifies for the shared disk. So if you say if I want to do a standard SSD or a HDD, we cannot use those things for shared disk. So it has to be a premium or it has to be an ultra disk here. So let's see a few more things what they have given here. Yeah, if you see here with the premium SSD ranges, so it is P15, P20. It means maximum 2 VMs can share these two sizes. Similarly 5 and similarly 10 here. And this is what we have seen the different use cases where you can share the disk across both the VMs or multiple VMs. So now let's go on the Azure portal and see how exactly we can create this shared disk. So I am on the home page. On the home page, you can go and click on this disk, and on the disk, what exactly we can do is we can create add, and this add should open a new page. Yes, and then I can go to my I can create any resource group. Okay, this is already existing, so let me do this, and I will give a name, maybe a shared disk. And then you can select any region where you want this, and then if you see here, let me go here. So if you see here, there is a maximum share here, which is 2. So if I select this P15, as we have seen in the document, it allows only maximum 2 VMs to share this specific premium disk. So if I want to go, for example, say 10, so I can go here and I can select the 10 different shares here, or 10 different VMs can go and share this machine. Now let me see and say if I select HDD, if you select HDD, it doesn't allow any share here. So you cannot, it means you cannot do anything on you cannot attach this multiple HDD to multiple VMs. Similarly, let's see SSD also, there is no maximum share, so you cannot attach SSD to multiple VMs. Only with premium and ultra disk you can go and attach to multiple VMs. So let's go and select this. You say okay, and then you say encryption as default, connectivity is public, advanced, and then finally you can tag it and then create it. So this is how you create this is how we create a shared disk, and this is what the advantage of shared disk is. This basically helps in the clustering, and if you have more than one VM where you want to go and share the data in case of the maybe a SQL server, or in case of multiple VMs where they want to go and share the data or the disk, then you can create a shared disk and then attach this disk to the multiple VMs. So hopefully this was useful and added value. Thanks for watching.